Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can convert your slow motion video to normal speed video in your iPhone. So basically I have pre-recorded a slow-mo video. What you need to do is just go to your video slow-mo, and as you go to your video slow-mo, there's an added option here, the three buttons. Sorry, this one. You need to just tap on it. After doing it, you can see that there are two options here. The first one is the video visuals itself, and the second row, it shows from where it will start slowing the data. So as you can see, it is starting from here and it is ending here. Once I play the video, it will start slow moving the video from this point to this point. If I reduce this from here, as you can see, if I reduce the length of this, it will only slow-mo that area, and if I remove it from here to here, it will just remove all of the slow-mo of the video. So that's how you can adjust the slow motion of the video, furthermore making it into a normal speed from a slow-mo video. That's how you can easily do it. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this has solved your problem. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to figure out in next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.